y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is EMPRESS MOXIE back with another video. So I got a ring light, and that's why recently I've not been wearing my glasses in the videos, because the ring light, the circles, they're apparent in my glasses, and also they kind of distract me a little bit. So that's why I keep not wearing my glasses, in case anyone was wondering. But anyways, back to the purpose of this video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to wrap your locks. As we all know, it's winter season in the United States. There are many states that are dry and cold right now, like Colorado, the state I live in. It's pretty cold right now. It's going to start snowing more towards the middle of November and the end of the year. So during the cold winter season, black women and black men have to find ways to add more moisture to our hair and skin. So I'm going to show you the wrap styles that I use to help me to keep moisture in my locks during the winter time. Hair wraps that I buy, I usually get like camel color, black, red, or orange. Just colors that go with my skin, help it to pop, because even though my hair is wrapped up, I still want to step out and look my best. Period. You always have to look your best. So this is one of the wraps I recently bought. This was on Amazon. The brand is Hairwum, or however you pronounce that. Hairwum. I don't think it matters the brand, but I was looking for satin head wraps, but then I realized they're very slippery. They slide off easily. So then I went for cotton and whatever this one is. Let me see what this material is. But this is a really big one. Really big. I'm trying to find where it tells you the material. Let me see. Made in China. It doesn't say anything, but alright. So you're gonna need your head wrap, whatever color you want. I'm gonna use this color just for the video. I'm not gonna change it up or anything. And then you're gonna need some hair ties. 1 second. So you need your hair tie. I got this from the Dollar Tree. I think you can get this at Walmart too. The brand is called Goody. And the reason I like these hair ties is because they're the seamless ones and they stretch really far. So I bought a new pack because I lost the other ones, but this is the brand of hair ties that I use because it helps tie my locks since they're getting longer. Your girl has length now, okay? If you been here from the beginning, you would know that my locks grew a lot throughout the 2 years. So yes, these are the hair ties that I'm gonna be using. And I also have my spray bottle with the water and oil that I'll be spraying on my locks, because while your locks are under the wrap, you want to make sure it is moisturized prior to that, so that the wrap has something to hold, which is the moisture. So I'm gonna show y'all how we do this. I'm gonna spray my locks with the water mixture. Okay, I think that's moisturized enough, and I just always give myself a little scalp massage. Alright, so the first style that I'll be doing is gonna be one that I did previously in the week. It was like a side wrap. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. It's really cute. So for this style, you're gonna need one stretchy hair tie, and you're gonna put your hair up, but to the side, whichever side you like best. If you like it from your left side, you do it that way. If you like it from your right side, do it that way. And then put it up in one. For the hair tie, I'm just gonna put it on once. I'm not gonna tie it around or anything. I just put it on. And that's why I like those hair ties, because they're really stretchy. So whatever hair is remaining, you can push it in if you want. And you just leave it like that. So I'm gonna leave out the side ones. This one broke off like a few months ago. It actually grew back really far because it broke off up here. But I'm gonna pull down this one as well and wrap it with this little one. This is just gonna be the hair that's left out on the side of your hair tie. You can also put some hairs at the front. That's what I did in my previous style. I'm gonna leave that. This is to the side. Now we're gonna get the hair tie. You're gonna tie it from the back of the hair. And make sure you're remembering that the hair is to the side, so you're kind of doing like an angled tie. So you're going up like this with it, and you're gonna just go like that. You're not gonna tie it, you're just gonna go like that, then twist it. See? Twist it again, put it around. Okay, and you just start tucking. 1 second. You just start tucking it wherever you feel it will look good. And then you just organize your locks at the top. See? Make sure these are sticking out still. And it should look like that. And that's the side tie. Now for the next one. Alright, so the next one that we're gonna do is gonna be half up, half down. So I'm gonna keep these right here still. Anytime I'm tying my hair up, sometimes when I do it, these ones always feel really tight. So I like to leave it down most times. And this one you could add an extra security to, since it's smaller amount of hair being used. So like that. Alright? For this one, you're gonna have the hair tie at the back of your locks, because it's gonna come around. Remember these two at the side, if you're keeping the side ones out. Bring it to the front. Okay? Now this tie is gonna be tied around the ponytail at the top. So twist it a bit so that it won't undo. Okay? You're gonna wrap it around the ponytail that you had at the top. Okay? And you twist it so that you get like a effect. And then you tuck it. And that's the style.
Clap.
Alright, so next one. For this one, you're gonna put all your locks in one. And then tying from the back. And the back area that you had left over, you're gonna put up like this. Oops, one sec. The back area that you had left over, you're gonna pull up and tie these to hold it. Okay. So it should be like that. Like you're using the bun at the top to be the style. And then you're wrapping everything around it. There you go. And that's how that one should look. Let me add some earrings. One second. Okay, so I got the earrings for effects. Period. But I like this wrap a lot. Those were 3 head wrap or turban styles for your locks to protect it during the winter time. So I hope this video was helpful. Comment below which was your favorite, and don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll definitely see y'all in the next one.